I'm Kate.
And I'm Max. We are the AIS elementary school captains.
We're outside the early years and there's something exciting happening today. Let's see if our head girl and head boy from secondary know what is going on.
Thanks, Max and Kate. Hi, I'm Ali.
And I'm Hamish, and we're here at AIS at Gate 1.
We heard that something exciting was going on as well, so we would just like to pass to Mr. Casson to find out what's going on.
Hello AIS. It's my great pleasure to welcome you today to our Foundation Day Assembly. Now, Foundation Days in schools are opportunities when, as a community, we come together to celebrate the wonderful things that make our school. AIS is having its 28th birthday today. It's a time that we have a rich history, a history built on the exploits of our students in the past, continued forward into our students who are here with us at the moment, and moving toward an exciting future. I'm so excited to be able to share this day with you because each and every one of us have had the opportunity to be part of the AIS legacy. To all of you, thank you for helping to make our school great, for helping to make AIS awesome, to helping to make our school the best place it possibly can. You guys are all brilliant and you're going to enjoy today's assembly, I'm sure. But of course, an AIS birthday is much more than that. It's about spending time with the people whose stories make up our school, learning what they know and what that is going to do to make us move towards an exciting future, because AIS is an awesome school. But above all else, an anniversary is an opportunity to celebrate with your mates and enjoy everything that is great about this awesome school. So have a great birthday, AIS. Thank you to all of you for making the day great. Cheers to AIS, and don't forget, go Sharks!
Just as we would stand for our national anthems, we ask that wherever you are, please stand for the AIS school song.
Please stand quietly.
Reach for the stars, the Southern Cross above us. Strive for the best, uphold our school with pride. We stand as one, though lands and creeds are many, seeking to grow in all we learn and play and do. Knowledge our quest, the truth in all endeavor, so we may understand and love our fellow man. Reach for the stars and seize the day before you. Yours is the future, yours the worldwide climes. Here as we stand on Asia's shores united, we'll strive to do our best to grow up wise and true. Friends, we will cherish learning here together, knowledge and understanding, AIS our school.
Thank you so much, Emma, for your incredible singing for the school song. We would just like to take this opportunity to reflect back on AIS's history.
We're both so proud to be a part of this journey, starting at Mount Sophia with 32 students to now we're on Chuan with 2,400 students. Let's just take a brief look back at how far the school's come.
The Australian International School is recognised as one of the premier international schools in Singapore. Its journey began in 1993 on a small campus at Mount Sophia under the guidance of Miss Coral Dixon. With no air conditioning, no uniforms or facilities, and with 32 students and 7 teachers, no one could predict that by the end of the year, the school would have more than 200 enrolments. By the end of 1994, the school had outgrown the Mount Sophia campus and moved to Emerald Hill to house its now 400 students.
The Australian International School has new and bigger premises. The school, which was set up just 5 years ago, has seen its enrollment go up by leaps and bounds, and its new home now is at Ulu Pandan.
3 years later, it moved to the site of the old Singapore American School in Ulu Pandan and enjoyed 5.5 fruitful years there. It was then, under the guidance of new principal Peter Bond, that the school purchased its current campus in Lorong Chuan and moved its 1,100 student population there.
The Australian International School here has finally found a permanent home in Lorong Chuan. It was opened as the school celebrated its 10th anniversary today.
In just 10 years, the Australian International School has gone from 32 students at its Mount Sophia campus to 1,100 preschool, primary and secondary school students here in Lorong Chuan.
In 2008, the campus expanded to include a purpose-built preschool and junior school for AIS's younger students.
The Prime Minister sees these students as trailblazers in his new advance on Asia.
What's the mission of the new Australian government? To make it the most Asia-literate country in the Western world.
And in 2010, the school expanded further, opening the Peter Bond Senior School for students in years 10, 11 and 12. From its humble beginnings, the Australian International School now boasts world-class facilities for its 2,500 students. The bright modern campus offers classes from preschool to year 12 and champions an international education and value system that equips its students for lifelong learning.
Reflecting on the journey of AIS makes me think about my journey and what AIS means to me.
Let's see what some of our students have to say about what AIS means to them. I like AIS because I like playing with my friends.
What's special about AIS to me is that I get to learn things and make things.
I love AIS because I have wonderful teachers and I get to learn more.
I love AIS because it's got so many great opportunities. It has swimming, chess, football, and many more. We love AIS!
To me, AIS is a home away from home, a place where my creativity can thrive. To me, AIS is a place to design and build things.
To me, AIS means a safe environment to play and learn.
Yomalade Samela.
Tanjobi omedetou.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Happy birthday, AIS! Happy birthday!
ciel d'été confond ses blancs tons avec les anges, c'est pur la mer, bergère d'azur infinie. Voyez, près des étangs, ces longs roseaux mouillés. Voyez, ces oiseaux blancs et ces maisons rouillées. La mer les a bercés le long des golfes clairs, et d'une chanson d'amour la mer a bercé mon cœur pour la vie. Qu'au ciel d'été confond ses blancs tons avec ses anges, si pur la mer, bergère d'azur infinie.